In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo send an email in Gmail, a feature that can be incredibly useful if you've ever hit send on a message you wished you hadn't. Mistakes happen, but with Gmail's undo send feature, you can easily retract an email if you catch it in time. We'll go through the process step by step so you can confidently stop those emails from going out when needed. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, navigate to the settings gear icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this gear, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select See All Settings to access the full settings menu for your Gmail account. When you're in the settings menu, go to the General tab. This tab should open by default, but it's always a good practice to double-check. As you scroll through the list of settings, keep an eye out for the Undo Send section. In this section, you will see that Gmail allows you to set the cancellation period for emails. This is essentially the grace period during which you can recall a sent email. Options for this period usually include 5, 10, 20, or even 30 seconds. Select the time interval that suits your needs. If you're the type of person who often catches errors right as you hit send, consider opting for a longer time frame like 20 or 30 seconds. This choice gives you a wider window to quickly retract your emails. After selecting your desired cancellation period, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes to ensure your new settings are applied. With your settings adjusted, let's move on to a quick demonstration. Compose a new email as you normally would. Fill in the subject, add a recipient, and type your message in the body of the email. Once everything seems ready, hit the Send button. Immediately after doing so, you should notice an Undo option pop up at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click Undo within your chosen time frame, and just like that, your email will be retracted, returning to your drafts for further revisions. It's that simple. Utilizing this feature is a fantastic way to mitigate misunderstandings, correct errors, or just buy yourself a bit more time to review your message. Remember, while Undo Send can prevent some missteps, it's also a helpful reminder to double-check important details, like recipients and attachments, before sending an email. This feature is your safety net, there to catch you when you're in a pinch. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Gmail's Undo Send feature, so go ahead and try it out. With these steps in mind, you'll be able to handle email mishaps like a pro.